Aletheia Liu will be performing A Town with an Ocean View. Aletheia is the first award winner of the Golden Piano Talents Competition and a second award winner of the Vivaldi International Music Competition in category Prodigy. The song she will be playing is from the movie Kiki's Delivery Service. It describes the feeling of Kiki flying on a broomstick high up in the cloud-filled sky. The light and airy music allows the audience to feel the experience of